All right, now let's look at the transformation journey. And today, I want to take you to on a journey into a world where transformation is not just a word but a reality, right? So imagine starting at a point in your life where you are curious but uncertain, right? So what happens, like just like a blank canvas, waiting for a masterpiece to happen to you, right? So subsequently, what happens, like, but when a Chat GPT comes into play, it's like gears of the transformation starts clicking. Like if you see in the background, like what's happening, like the gears are getting activated, right? So the other guy, the Chat GPT, so consider this guy as a Chat GPT, who is in the background and who is taking your holding, is going to hold your hand and clear the doubts like a masterpiece itself, and you are certainly getting transformed. But when Chat GPT comes into play, right, so what happens, like it's like all gears of your transformation clicking into place. Suddenly you are not just a learner, you are problem solving, a guy who has with creative genius and a data maestro itself, right? So consider that perspective is happening. So with Chat GPT's knowledge as your ally, right, so the thing which is going to change is like the task that once seemed daunting for you becomes second nature. Like it is going to be suddenly like it's on your fingertips itself, whether it's a content creation, data analysis, be it anything, right? So or solving complex problems, or maybe you are debugging any of the problem statements, or you got stuck somewhere and it's like everything is on your fingertips, you know how to solve that. So now what's happening is, with this picture, if you see, now what is happening, like ChatGPT is becoming your it's like a toolkit, right? So this is where ChatGPT becomes your toolkit for innovation, empowering you to unlock the opportunities and surmount challenges that others might find daunting tasks, right? So I encourage you to embrace this transformation, and this is pretty important, right? So this is what I say, like how to transform yourself, and this is what you are on the transformation journey. And let's consider you are currently on X, and after taking the course you are certainly targeting a target of 10x. So how do you do that? Like, so this is the this is the clear discipline factor which you will be following into this particular course, and stick to the plan which we have already talked about. And this is the journey where your gears are getting activated step by step, right? And this is what I am trying to put that into place, right? So this is what is your transformation journey. So the practical applications of Chat GPT are limitless, because be it in any field, whether you are a software engineer, you are a marketing analyst, you are a business analyst, or you're a marketing guy, real estate agent, into medical regime or whatever, right? So its uses are limitless, and it can be extended to in any of the segment. So that's why I always tell this, like this is like tends to infinity, right? So on that particular journey, the practical applications, once you are having there, like, so you can apply in any business, whether you are in business, like let's assume like education, technology, or healthcare, or any field. Chat GPT can be your secret weapon for success. But remember, like any superhero, your journey is ongoing. So stay updated, keep learning, and continue to explore. And this is your wings of fire. Like once you already have this, embrace this thing, the transformation things. So you can be anything. Like you can, imagine like you are now a superhero of your own. And in which case you are going to embrace all this power and apply in your daily needs, like whether it's on the professional task or the personal task, which means like you are saving your hell lot of time which you are used to struggle out of the box earlier, right? And now you are solving like a pro, right? So this is the thing, this is the time whether you should stay invested, stay updated, and keep learning all the the things which is coming there, because this course is going to be updated on every month. So always stay hungry and stay foolish. So once you have this stay hungry and stay foolish line in there, right, so you will always be looking for the new content and the practical content, how to improve yourself. And that is the fire which is going to take you to that destination which you are actually looking for.